You've been taught electrophysics, electricity, and circuits. But what if you've been getting the knowledge in a hard way that you actually hated? Maybe the field is pretty easier than that. Let's take the Flash and start our supporting journey, Flying Electrons Series, Episode 1. We're gonna be learning about electricity, electrophysics, and focus on digital systems. Episode 1 is about the very first step to understanding the current and resistance and how electrons flow. Thumbs up, let's go. This is where it all started. Electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons are just the simple elements that are represented by the name negative charges, okay? And these negative charges contains a negative magnetic field surrounding them, and they're represented by the simple circle and a simple line. There is nothing easier than this, okay? Let's take a flash to the protons. Protons is just the same of electrons. It's the positive charge of the material, and it's surrounded by a magnetic field, and its representation in our journey is gonna be the circle and the plus. Positive and negative charges. When a positive charge gets close to a negative charge, they form an attraction bond that recombines them together to form the neutral elements. Okay, but the other way around, when a positive element gets close to a positive element, they form a repulsion. Neutral elements. Neutral elements is the recombination of the negative charges and the positive charges to form a solid state where it's very hard to separate. This solid state is containing the positive and the negative charges at the same time. Well, let's take a flash to the next. Let's go through this. This is a normal wire that's formed of a material, let's say copper. This material is connected to a battery. This battery has a negative element, and the long rod here is the positive element. Okay, let's have a deeper look. Let's call this the negative charge 2. We're gonna give it the number 2, and this one we're gonna call it the limited recombination neutral element. It's a recombination of the negative charge 1 and positive charge 1. That's their ID. Okay, well, due to the excessive speed of the negative 2, it's gonna be hitting the neutral elements positive and negative 1, and these elements was having a limited recombination. What's a limited recombination? The limited recombination is the form where they both get instantly recombined together, then an excessive speed of an electron hits them that fast. Okay, then the next scene we're gonna see the positive negative limited recombination, also because it just happened right away. They couldn't, form the actual strong bond between them. The negative one moves to positive 2. So this is positive 2, and the negative one should get repulsed due to the negative 2 excessive speed. So the negative 1, positive 2 is our limited recombination. Now let's take a flash about this negative 3. This immune neutron is called the wall or the resistance. Negative 3 just tries to hit the immune neutron, but it fails. So the next scene we're gonna see the positive hole 3. This positive hole is the proton of the material, and it's not gonna be recombined due to the immune neutron that blocked the negative 3 electron.